Hello guys, welcome to a fresh episode video on dollar arbitraging. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make up to 50,000 naira on daily basis using a particular platform. So don't skip any part of this video because I'll be discussing with you guys how you can verify deposits and how you can carry out arbitrage on this platform. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome to Trill Ideas. In this YouTube channel, we normally share ideas on how to make money legitimately online, such as forex trading, crypto trading, and dollar arbitraging. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, ensure to hit the subscription button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a useful content of this nature. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So guys, without further ado, let's dive direct into today's video. This is the particular application we're making use of. This is BYDFi exchanging platform. You can trade crypto on this platform. And here are the reviews that we got on Play Store. So if you want to get the application, you can go to your Play Store and download the application via the Play Store. It has about 526 reviews so far. So you can also do well to go through the reviews before you indulge in making use of this particular application. So guys, after downloading, what you need to do is to verify your account. You need to sign up and verify your account on this platform. I'll be dropping the link in the description box, so ensure you make use of my link to register so that I also stand a chance to get some commission while you use my link to register. So guys, after registering and verifying your account, the next thing you need to do is to deposit into this platform. Let me show you guys how the platform looks like. So guys, this is how the platform looks like. It's similar to other exchange platforms just like Binance or Bybit. Although they are new in the system, you can also do well to make a good research on them before carrying out each transaction on this platform. So guys, after registering, you need to verify your account. You can verify your account with your international passport or your national identity card or whichever means of identification you are using in your country. So all what you need to do is to take a selfie with it, input your ID number, and the process will be carried out automatically by the system. So after verifying, the next thing you need to do is to deposit. So here's the deposit option. What I noticed with this platform is that I can't find a P2P section on this platform yet, but you can deposit direct using your card, be it Visa card, be it MasterCard. And there are some cards that are working on this platform. Everything we'll be discussing in this video. So the benefits of you registering or having this application, there are a lot of benefits. You can trade on this, but the reason why I'm doing this video is for us to carry out arbitrage advantage on this platform. So what we'll be doing now is to click on deposit. Once you hit the deposit button, this is how it will appear. This is how it will appear. But we are not depositing crypto, we will be depositing fiat. I'm currently in Nigeria, so we'll be depositing, we'll be making payment via the Nigerian Naira to buy USDT. So that's what we'll be doing on this platform. If you're in Ghana, you can make use of Ghanaian cedis. If you're in Kenya, you can make use of the Kenyan shillings. So you can also watch this video thoroughly before you carry out a transaction on it so that you won't fall in loss. But for the Nigerians, there is an arbitrage opportunity on it. So what you need to do, let me show you guys how I get here. You receive, here will be in USDT. Then what you want to spend is Nigerian Naira. What you need to do is to type in NGN. So here's the Nigerian Naira. So for us to get 100 USDT, let me type in 100 USDT. So this is what it will cost us. Let's say we want to get like 500 USDT because some cards currently have up to $500 limit on them. So there are about up to 3 to 4 cards currently working in Nigeria that has a lot of transaction limit, that is dollar transaction limit, while some are still low. So before the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you guys some cards that are having dollar limits on them. Don't skip any part of the video. If you're enjoying the video so far, ensure to give this video a thumbs up right away. Ensure to like the video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure to hit the subscription button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video of this nature. So as at last week, I tried depositing using Naira. It wasn't giving me any option, but hopefully now, if you are trying to verify, if you are trying to deposit, you'll be given just only 2 options. Let's try out USD. USD has up to 4 you can see it has up to 5 method in which you can make payments to get USDT on this platform. So we have the Transact, we have Banza, we have Conify, Mercurio, and the Alchemy. So whichever one you feel is okay, but the rate varies. For this one now is $1 to each USDT I'll be getting, while this other Conify here is $1.04 approximately. But let's go back to NGN because that is our concern for today. Let's go back to NGN. So once you type in NGN, this is how it will load. We are given 2 options to deposit, and if you can see, the rates are different. The rates here are different. For this one that is showing 462, I don't think that will work. I don't think this second one will work, but for Mercurio is currently working. And as you can see, they've already ticked the Mercurio automatically for you to see. And this is the rate you will be buying each USDT. You will be buying each USDT at the rate of 927 Naira 70. Approximately 80 kobo. That is 927 Naira 80 kobo approximately. So let's assume we want to get, let's say $200 worth of USDT. Let's say we want to get 200 USDT. This is what it will cost us according to them, but we need to do our calculation using the black market rate, which is the amount we will charge on our card. If you are to deposit, you won't be charged at this rate. This is the rate it is showing here. This is the rate it is showing. Let's even do a quick math. It is showing 92,952. 92,952. Let me go to the calculator. 92,952 divided by 200. So this is the rate is showing that it will be charging us per dollar 464.76. But if you are to make the payment using our card here in Nigeria, we won't be charged this rate. It's way higher than this. Let me be sincere to you guys. It's way higher than this. So if you are to be charged, you will be charged at the rate of 927 Naira 80 kobo. Currently, that's what will be charged at the time I'm doing this video. So let's do a quick math also. 927.80 times 200, that's what we're doing. So you can also make use of a calculator to get the way I'm calculating it. Let's say 200 times 927.80. So this is the total amount we will be charged. 185,560 for 200 USDT. That's what will be charged currently. The only way I recommend to make the payment is using this Mercurio. Once you click on Mercurio and you click on buy now, it will tell you to confirm. Then you input your card details. For the cards that are working on this platform, the Access MasterCard is working. There are some other two, but just stay tuned. I'll be sharing the other two at the end of this video. Those other two has up to like $500 limit also. Although there is one working, but currently at the time I'm doing this video, I think the limit has reduced, but for the ones that are working, I'll share the remaining 2 at the end of this video. So guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, just do well to give it a thumbs up right away, like the video, because there are some arbitrage opportunities that I would also like to share with you guys. Once you hit the subscription button, you also get to know anytime I make the video. So guys, the next thing we're talking about now, after buying this 200 USDT, so the possible question that might be asked is, where am I to sell this crypto? Because this platform is not having a P2P section where you can easily sell out the crypto back into your Naira. So what you just be doing is for you to send your assets. That is, you'll be sending the USDT using TRC20. Using TRC20 network, you send the USDT into your Binance account. Don't use Bit20 or any other network, because the commission that will be charged for the fee will be too high. The commission that will be charged will be too high. So ensure to use TRC20 while transferring. And if you want to transfer, just come to assets. Once you click on assets, you click on sports. Once you click on sports, you search for the USDT. That is, after depositing the USDT, once you search for it, you click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on withdrawal. That's what you need to do. After clicking on withdrawal, what you need to do is to go to Binance and copy your wallet address. Let me go to Binance now and show you the way you copy your TRC20 wallet address into this platform, so that you send from this platform into your Binance account. So let's go to Binance. So these are the Binance account look like. If you don't have a Binance account, you also need to get it downloaded via Play Store. You register and verify. You can verify with your international passports, your identity card, your voter's card, your driver's license, whichever means of identification you are using in your country. You might not be in Nigeria, you might be in Ghana, you might be in Kenya. Ensure to watch this video till the end to know if you will be profitable. For those that are in Kenya, for those that are in Ghana, watch the video for you to know if you will be profitable before indulging in the arbitrage. So guys, after doing that, the next thing you need to do now is to come to wallet. Once you click on wallet, that is on Binance. So you click on sports. Once you click on sports, you click on, is already on deposits. What you need to do now is to scroll and search for USDT. Let me click on USDT. So this is the network we'll be using. This is the one we'll be copying. This last one here. This is the one we'll be copying. TRC20. So once you click on it, it will appear. All what you just need to do is to copy this wallet address and go straight into the other exchange platform and paste it there. So after withdrawing, some commission will be charged, which is not supposed to be more than 1 USDT. Which is not supposed to be more than 1 USDT. So after doing that, it will take some minutes, let's say 2 to 5 minutes before it appears here, but it's very, very fast. TRC20 is fast, so it doesn't have more time before it will appear here. So once it appears here, the only way you can sell it out is via P2P. What you need to do is to come to your P2P. Once you come to your P2P, you click on the P2P trading. If your currency is in NGN, if your currency is in NGN, you leave it, but it's not in NGN. What you need to do, if it's in USD or any other currency, but normally if you verify a Binance account, you just finish registering and verifying a Binance account, it will be appearing in USD. So what you just need to do is to search for your local currency you want to sell the crypto back into. If you're in Ghana, you search for GHS. If you're in Kenya, you search for KES. For me, that I'm currently in Nigeria, I'll search for NGN, and this NGN here, so it will automatically appear here. Don't forget, we're able to get about 200 USDT at the rate of 927 Naira 80 Kobo, which was equivalent to 185,560 Naira. So let's do a quick math. If you are to sell, let me make use of the filter. Once I click on the filter, let's say I want to sell the one worth 180,000 naira. We'll be receiving via bank transfer. Leave this on all, then turn off the merchant advertisement, then click on confirm. We are selling, we are not buying. We are selling, we are not buying. So now, if you have to sell, this is the sweetest offer so far, followed by this other one, followed by this second one here, then followed by this one. This one is ready to buy the USDT from us at the rate of 1,257 naira 56 kobo. So let's do a quick math again. That is 1,257.56. So we'll be timesing it by, we're supposed to times this by 200, but while depositing into the other exchanging platform, you'll be charged some commission, and out of those commission, some crypto will reduce, and while transferring into your Binance account, you also be charged like 1 USDT, which will make the crypto also reduce. For all the crypto that will reduce, what you are expected to get is around 190 USDT. So you times it by 190 USDT. So this is what we'll be getting. This is what we'll be getting. We're making 238,936.40 kobo. So the initial amount we spent was 185,560. 185,560. So this will be our profits. But all these profits you'll be getting, you can be getting it on a daily basis if you have enough cash that you can be using to carry out this arbitrage opportunity. So the more card you have, and the more limit your card is having, the more profit you make. So for the remaining two cards, UBA is also working, Access is working, the Wema Bank also is working, the Globus Bank is also working. So ensure to get those cards and make use of it on this platform. But for the sake of this video, don't forget you can also do more research on this platform. You can start little. Once you start little, you just keep on maintaining the little amount you are using so that your account will get verified, because if your account is not verified, you'll be limited to a particular transaction of, I think is around 200,000 naira equivalent on the BYDFi platform. So that's how it basically runs. So this is the profit you can be making on a daily basis for yourself. If you're enjoying the video so far, please ensure to like the video right away. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure to hit the subscription button, because I'll be dropping some leaked videos about dollar arbitraging. And for the forex traders on my YouTube channel, I'll also be dropping some top-down analysis on some currency pairs. So all what you just need to do is to subscribe and stay tuned. So guys, that'll be all for today's video. Before I call it today, a quick recap. Ensure to watch the video, do more research of your own, and pay a very good attention to what I've said so far. If there's anything you don't understand, ensure to go and rewatch the video till you get to understand. And you are free to ask a question in the comment section down below. You can also join my Telegram group, and don't transact anything in the Telegram group. That'll be all. I love you all. Stay tuned.